Hello guys. Sometimes I really wonder if there is any point of learning how to train a model, how to fine tune a model, how to host your own model and then build applications on top of it. This feeling gets deeper when I come across tools like NexusGPT, which you can see on your screen. Now just hold back and just look at this tool. According to them, we can create any type of AI assistant, whether on their data or on our own data, in minutes. For example, you can create an AI consultant, you can create AI marketer, therapist, lawyer, doctor, whatever you want, very easily and very quickly. And then that's not the only thing. You can use this as sort of an autonomous employee at your fingertips. You can have multiple agents even coordinating with each other. And then you can also create, fine tune, and integrate AI that works for you in minutes. So you can plug it into your own Slack, Teams, WhatsApp. You can choose your own voice and understand your task. You can even train it on your voice. You can fine tune with your own data for more accuracy. How amazing is that? And then because it runs on your own servers, you can, yes, so you can run it on your own servers, and that will comply with all the GDPR and other compliance requirements. And then there are heaps of other tools available which you can integrate with these AI assistants. So you don't have to rely on any one vendor. You can't, if you don't want to use ChatGPT from OpenAI, you can use Gemini from Google or Claude from Anthropic or any other open source model of your choice. You can buy the purchasing, you can purchase tokens from this Nexus GPT, or you can host it on your own dedicated GPU servers. So your own data, your own AI assistant, your own AI. Now you can sign up by from the top right from here, and then once you log in, you are presented with this screen. Now here is another cool thing. If even you don't want to build any agent, you can hire an agent. So just simply click on hire an agent, and then you can just find anything from this marketplace. For example, if you want to hire a machine learning engineer, so you can hire machine learning engineer. So let me click on it, and then it is telling us what exactly Matthew Wilson is, and gender and all that stuff. And you can work with Matthew on this one, and you can simple click on hire agent and start chatting from here. You can even duplicate it and start talking with it, but there are few steps in there. So for example, if I click on hire an agent, so you can see that I have hired Matthew from here. Now you can start chatting with it, like you can say auto build me, or maybe I'll say share the steps to build a small 100 million parameter LLM which can, oh, LLM is fine. Let's see what it does. And okay, so auto means that if it's a complex task, I'm just asking this AI assistant to do stuff instead of me telling it the steps. If you know the steps, you can slash and give it the steps. Now if you look at this bottom right, you can see that even I can select or upload my own file. So if you want to fine tune it on your own data, then you can do it very simply. On the left hand side, there are a lot of other things which I'll show you, but I'm just waiting for this to come back to see what it does here. So Matthew, my assistant, has returned, and if you look at these steps, this is amazing. Most of it is that it says that it entails data gathering by internet searching, feature engineering, which is basically raw data collected from various sources as identified by this to prepare for it using training, then model selection, and what sort of architecture we want, whether we want GPT or BERT, and then hyperparameter tuning, learning rate, batch size, all that stuff, and then model evaluation from the training process, and then project coding. All in all, very good high level steps, I would say. and then of course you can chat further on it. If we look at this, on the left hand side there is a good menu. Marketplace we already have seen. These are the agents which we create. They will appear here, such as our Matthew is already here. Okay, I haven't hired this management consultant. Maybe that comes with default one anyway. And then my models. So here you can connect to an external LLM provider, and for example, OpenAI, Anthropic, and all that stuff. And from here on the right hand side, you can host your own LLM on Nexus, such as Dolphin Llama, Llama 2, Redmond Puffin, and then the list goes on and on. And then this is where you can upload your file. So that I think this is a good feature. You just upload your file here, and then you can use that file at multiple places. That is good. We don't have to upload the file multiple times. And then there are tools from you which you create, or tools which you can take from the marketplace. So if I click here, there you go. So there are different tools here. For example, internet search, project coding, and then it goes on and on. And of course you can add your own tool here, and maybe you can sell them here. I'm not sure how this marketplace works in actual, but all in all, you can see that how easy it is to start using AI by simply using this NexusGPT. Amazing stuff. And this is where, as I said earlier in the start of the video, that sometimes I wonder if you're learning about fine-tuning, training models, and what's the point if these tools like these can automatically do it in minutes. But anyway, it's always good to learn, and always good to know what is going on behind the scene. And of course there will always be a need to have this sort of knowledge to do some sort of custom task. But this is a thing about AI. AI is going to automate a lot of things, including building an AI solution. So that is where I think the future is leading us to. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I didn't concern you too much. Let me know your thoughts. Please share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.